Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today, my group and I will present an analysis of MAPOL Annex 1 violation the MV Global Horizon, a Liberia flat oil tanker case study. First of all, I want to introduce my team members. First is Nurul Syafiqah binti Muhammad Ashri. Second, Alia Syafiqah binti Suhaidi. Yasmin Umaira binti Aminuddin. Nur Syamimi binti Zakaria, Syaimah binti Rosdi, and lastly is me, Nur Fatihah Najla binti Shahrin. I will start this presentation with introduction. On August 18, 2023, the ship suffered an engine failure near the port of Durban, South Africa. It lost power for 6 hours and drifted near a coral reef. Although a collision was avoided, around 16 tons of oil leaked from the engine room's bilge tanks. An investigation found that the ship violated several MAPOL Annex 1 rules. First, the oily water separator (OWS) was faulty. It failed to filter oily water, which is a direct violation of pollution prevention regulation. Second, the oil record book (ORB) had missing or incorrect entries. Third, the oil discharge monitoring and control system (ODMCS) had not been calibrated for over 12 months. 4. The crew failed to activate the shipboard oil pollution emergency plan (SOPEP) in a timely manner. They also did not contact coastal authorities within the 1-hour time frame, which is a clear violation of emergency response procedure. Lastly, there was a lack of proper crew training. Out of 10 engineering crew members, only 2 had updating training on MAPOL regulation. This violation clearly contributed to the oil spill and the environmental impact. This spill caused water pollution, reduced fish catch, and minor oil damage to coral reef. Although the impact was moderate, it was preventable. In this presentation, we will explain the rule of MAPOL Annex 1, which has been violated by MV Global Horizon, and we will suggest policy improvement to avoid similar accident in the future. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syamimi binti Zakaria. My metric number is S70674. I will continue my part about rules of MAPOL. Regulation 9. Control of discharge of oil. Prohibit the discharge of oil or oily mixtures into the sea unless very specific conditions are met. Ship of 400 gross tonnage GT and above. Discharge are only permitted when the ship is en route. The oil content of the effluent does not exceed 15 parts per million ppm, and the ship is filtered with an approved oil filtering system equipped with an oil content meter and alarm. Next, Regulation 20. Oil filtering equipment that all ship of 400 GT and above must equipped with oil filtering equipment capable of ensuring that discharge oil mixtures meet the 15 ppm limit. This equipment forms part of the ship pollution prevention system and includes the oil content meter. This is provides continuous monitoring of discharge effluent. Next, Regulation 17. Oil Record Book Part 1 requires that ship maintain an oil record book Part 1 in which all operations involving oily oil water such as bilge water discharge, tank cleaning and disposal of oil residues. This must be accurate and signed by the responsible official. Regulation 24. Prevention of pollution during cargo operation. Although primarily applied to oil tanker, Regulation 24 control operational discharge from cargo tank cleaning and residue disposal. It sets geographic restriction and operational standard, ensuring that no environment during these activities. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Syafiqah binti Muhammad Asri. Nama materi S71404. I will continue with 2.2 Enforcement and Compliance Mechanism. MAPOL empower Pete Gleck, state and port state to enforce compliance through inspection, audit and surveillance. Port State Control (PSC) play a significant role by inspecting ships upon arrival at port, reviewing the oil record book, checking the functionality of oil filtering equipment and verifying crew knowledge. Regulation 24. Prevention of pollution during cargo operation, also primarily applied to oil tanker. Regulation 24 control operation discharge from cargo, tank cleaning and residue disposal. It set geographic restriction and operational standard, ensuring that no environment during this activity. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia Shafika binti Saidi. My number metric is S70144. Today I'm going to present about the policy recommendation for this case study. First of all, I'm going to present about the mandatory periodic audit. This recommendation is to ensure continuous compliance with marine environmental standard. All operating ships must undergo regular third-party audit on key pollution control systems such as OWS, ODMCS and sewage treatment unit. This audit must follow MAPOL and IMO regulation using standardized checklists, which results submitted to the flag state and uploaded to the GC system. Non-compliance may lead to the detention, fines or loss of privilege, thereby increasing accountability and reducing pollution risk. Next is about the recommendation for the incentive of compliance. This recommendation is for ships that consistently demonstrate strong environmental performance that should be rewarded through incentives like reduced port charge, priority berthing and green certification. Eligibility require a clean compliance record, active participation in audit, and the use of digital monitoring tools, transparent verification, supported by programs such as the Green Award or Right Ship. Along with regular review, it can help to promote a long-term commitment to sustainable maritime practice. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Yasmin Amara binti Amnedin, number metric S71434. Today I want to continue present about the recommendation policy improvement. The third point are the need for enhanced crew training. Based on the study case, the problem identified are only 2 out of 10 engineering crew members on MV Global Horizon had up-to-date MARPO training. It causes poor operation of oil discharge system and delay emergency response activation. So, the solution is maritime authorities should implement more rigorous training to prevent oil spills, and also IMO approved courses ensure consistency across all flag states. For example, training coverage should be due like operation and maintenance of pollution prevention equipment, proper record keeping procedures, and emergency response protocols. Therefore, the seafarers fully equipment to uphold MARPO standard and prevent oil pollution. Plus, the digital database facilitate a routine crew verification checks, identifying ships with higher risk due to less training personnel. Last but not least, in relation to the operation of the oil spill monitoring and control system, ODMCS, it was stated in the study case that the system on board the ship had not been calibrated for 12 months. The recommendation given was digital record keeping and the real-time monitoring. In line with the current world developments, technological advances should be utilized to prevent accidental oil spills. Ships should be equipped with a continuous communication system and advanced sensor to track and transmit release data directly to the coastal authorities. The availability of the real-time data allows for better coordination in the event of an emergency. For example, upon receiving information about an oil spills, the authority will ensure faster and more efficient deployment of containment and cleanup resources. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Shamak Betul. My metric number is S72965. To sum up, the MV Global Horizon oil spill highlight the real consequences of failing comply with the MARPOL Annex 1. Faulty equipment, poor record keeping and delayed emergency response can cause serious environmental damage to coral reef and disrupt to local fisheries. This case study revealed deeper issue in the crew training, equipment maintenance, and the enforcement. To prevent this incident from happening again, we need stronger policy like certified audits, digital pollution tracking, and standardized training across fleet states. Incentives such as green certification and reduced ports fee can also encourage better practice. But beyond the regulation, maritime pollution prevention requires real accountability and smart planning. Protecting our ocean isn't one person's job. It's a shared responsibility across the entire industry. Only through cooperation can we achieve safer shipping and more sustainable future. That's all from me. Thank you.